how to remove thread ID from Instagram. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can remove thread ID from Instagram, because sometimes we need to attach our Instagram thread ID on the Instagram, that anyone will approach to our Instagram ID, he will show that we have Instagram thread ID. So in this video I will show you how you can remove your threads Instagram ID on the Instagrams. So firstly, open the Instagram and click on profile icon, and then click on edit profile, and then click on link, and here, and then click on this icon, and then click on this, and then click on remove link. So go back and then click on show thread badge is off. So in this way you can see that my threads ID from the Instagram is removed. So in this way you can remove your thread ID from the Instagram. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.